Gentlemen, sit up, please, and look behind you the color of the sea. The sunlight coming here from the entrance and reflected the white sand on the bottom. The color of the sea is all natural. We have 20 meters deep here, 60 feet about deep. Ciao, ciao.